Someone wants to come towards you, not through text, not through a call, but face to face here to give you this clarification. And what they want to say has been sitting in their heart for a very long time because I do see memories here. I swear I'm missing you badly right now. But I feel that the fear, the ego is something which is stopping them right now, is holding them back right now. And if you've been feeling this pull, this heaviness, like someone is thinking about you but not speaking, this reading is for you. Weakness here, beautiful energy, beautiful cards, no doubt about it. This reading is going to hit very very deep because I do see there are a lot of clarification pending. You are their weakness, and I do see memories here. Somebody is missing you badly, big time. Okay. Namaskar, everyone. My name is Neha Tankha. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. And welcome back to your safe space where your heart is understood without you needing to explain it. Okay. Now, today's reading is something today's reading is going to be very, very, very intense. It is going to be very emotional, uh, because I do see that they want to confess face to face, but the fear is holding them hostage right now. And this is especially for those in a no contact situation, in a separation situation, or confusing situationships maybe here. Okay, because I do see at the bottom of the deck that somebody has walked away from this particular connection somewhere. And if you feel something is unfinished, something is unsaid before we begin, or if you feel even one person connected to this particular energy, just take a moment, like the video and comment, I claim this. I repeat, comment, I claim this. And trust me, your energy matters here. Also, if you want a personal reading, white magic candle spell, or one-on-one guidance, all the details are in the description box below. You can check my Instagram. You can you can hit me on my Instagram. You can DM me there, or you can WhatsApp the link, WhatsApp on the link which is mentioned right below. mm. And yes, my YouTube membership is now open for early access and exclusive content or exclusive readings here. Also, I feel that there are so many things which are going on with the cards that I see here right now. So let's just begin. Okay, I'm gonna tap into your current thoughts and feelings, what's going on with you. And I'm picking up a very very heavy heart here, very heavy heart here. You are tired, not just emotionally, but mentally you are exhausted, it seems like that. Because I do see that you're like transforming right now big time, and there is a lot of hopelessness in your heart. You have been overthinking to the core, and this feels like someone who keeps asking themselves why are they silent if they feel something. So there's a strong sense of longing but also self protection here. You are no doubt transforming, you are no doubt healing right now, you're trying to maintain your dignity, and you have started pulling your energy back right now very strongly, I see. Even though your heart still looks for them, but it seems like you're still pulling yourself away from this person. And some of you might be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. It can be, yeah, Sagittarius is also quite prominent here. All right, so yeah. So this isn't a coincidence if you are here today. You feel them even in silence, no doubt about it. And that's because this connection hasn't ended emotionally. It hasn't ended emotionally at all. So I'm going to see their current thoughts and feelings. Just think of them, hit the like button, and connect with my energies right now. And your person's current thoughts and feelings. Okay. Okay, so they are not over you. Let me say this to you, and let me say this clearly. Okay, they think about you in quiet moments, late nights when distractions fade. Okay, but here's the twist here. Hmm. They're scared of facing you because facing you means facing the truth. Okay, see this. Realization is hitting them hard. They are obsessed for you, and the truth is they've hurt you, and they know that they have hurt you by ending this particular connection. Okay, they regret something, that is for sure. Okay, can be third party influence as well, not always romantically but otherwise as well. And they don't know if they deserve another chance or not right now in this connection. Okay, and wait, now this is important. I'm seeing communication energy, no doubt about it, and it is coming up really fast and really really strong, like literally fast, not small talk, not casual, something very very serious here. And hype this particular video if this is your situation, because if you feel they want to come back but are scared, this is your sign, because this energy has just shifted big time, big time. Realization is hitting hard. They know that it hurt you and whatnot. And why I feel the separation happened here in many of your situation, this connection didn't break because love was missing here. No, love wasn't missing. It broke because of fear of vulnerability. It broke because of ego clashes. It broke because of timing issues and emotional immaturity is what I see, because this person was very emotionally immature and not very serious, very casual. One person was ready to love deeply, but the other person was still learning how. So take how it may resonate. It may be you or your person. So there may have been avoidance, mixed signals, that pull and push energy here, and it left you confused here, questioning your worth here. Okay, but hear me carefully. You, if you've been questioning yourself, then trust me, you were never too much. You were not too much. They were just not ready to meet you where you stood. Not at all. Okay. Now let's see what's happening behind the scenes here. What's happening behind the scenes here? Okay, now they are going through something internally here. This is not visible to you for sure, but they are going, this is very different. Okay, this is not visible to you right now, but they are replaying past conversations for sure. Okay, this person is definitely replaying past conversations. Six of cups has come, regretting silence, wanting to fix things here. Okay, and they feel very lonely and left out after they walked away from this particular connection. They are afraid you have moved on. They are literally afraid that you have moved on. Will you let them in? They feel like they lost control of this particular connection right now, and now they don't know how to re-enter your life without even risking rejection. Okay, some of them are watching you from a distance. Some of them are literally watching you from a distance, because I have also received page of cups here. Okay, yes, even social media, even silence has eyes here, guys, trust me. Even silence has eyes here. Hmm. Okay, now if we talk about the communication energy, this is not a maybe energy for sure. What I've received, the cards that we have been discussing right now, it is not a maybe energy. This is building towards communication, but it won't be, I would not say it is not fast, it is fast, but it won't be rushed. It would be a thought through communication that they will start. Okay, this person like, okay, this person feels like a planned message or a sudden emotional movement where they can't hold back anymore. And for many of you, they don't want just texting here, they want to see you face to face. Trust me, they want to see you face to face. They want to come through. They want to be with you, okay? Because we have also received Ace of Cups, don't forget that. Because what they need to say can, it can't fit in a message, not at all. It can't fit in a message at all. Now let's see, what is the advice and guidance. Oh my god, what is the advice and guidance for you? Do not wait in pain, wait in power here, because I do see there's happiness coming in. Wait in power, there's a difference, okay? So right now your energy is being guided to reconnect with yourself, okay? Build emotional strength, let them come towards you, okay? Let them come towards you, don't chase clarity, let clarity come to you. Because the moment you stop chasing, they start realizing what they lost. That's what I feel. You have taken back your control, you have taken back your power, and you are happy doing that. You are in a different zone altogether. You are keeping things to yourself, you're healing yourself. Now, the channel messages, what I hear them saying, and also with the cards, I wanted to come back so many times, but I didn't know if you would still choose me, is what I see. I don't know. I'm not checking this with the card right now, but that's what I heard right now. Okay, now let's see what the card has to say. I am scared you have changed, or that you won't forgive me. I miss you more than I admit. I want to tell you everything, but I don't know where to start. These feelings are eating me alive. Good messages here, and it just verified what we read. Okay, I just do this so that I can verify, whether whatever I'm reading is, matching here or not. Okay, now let's see what is the future of this connection. The connection has is not over yet, it's just transforming, because if you remember the very first card in this reading, we received death card, which is a card of transformation. There is unfinished emotional business here, no doubt, but the outcome depends on whether both of you choose honesty over fear or not. Okay, but let me just give you this sneak peek, because I do see there is a lot of things coming up, good things coming up, and a very strong, stable, committed relationship this person is going to offer, which is going to put you on cloud nine. And if this reading resonated, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hype this particular video. Hit the notification bell as well, so that whenever I put up such video, you are being notified, and your engagement helps this message reach those who need it. Trust me, guys. And for personal readings, candle spells, or guidance, check description. And if you want early access and exclusive readings, join my membership right away. Right now, I'll see you in the next week, in the next video. And the spell work that I'm gonna suggest you for today is go for 7 days love reconciliation, or 7 days love obsession, or 21 days love combo. uh any one of them, or if you want strongest spell, then go for the 21 days love combo. Trust me, 75 to 85% of my clients have received amazing feedback, amazing results. It's all over the place on Instagram. Go and check the highlights under candle feedback, spellwork feedback. All right, guys. This is Luna the Moon Tarot, reminding you that love always returns where it truly, truly, truly belongs. And thank you so much for staying with me till this till the end of this particular reading. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate you comment down below, because I do read all the comments, and you guys know it if you've been following me. Few comments I do reply, few comments I just like, but I do read comments, because next day's reading, actually the topic, everything comes from there. So do not forget to comment down below your situation, and yeah, maybe the next day I'm going to do a reading basis your situation as well. So thank you so much for staying with me, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye.